folks, I have a little Scout ukulele to show you today. This is number 743. The back and sides are some beautiful mahogany. And the top is a piece of cedar from the hot tub that I salvaged. This is probably the last piece of hot tub cedar for a top I'm going to use. I've really worked through a lot of it, and this one has got a lot of little scars and beauty marks that shows that it was a piece of salvaged wood, which I don't have a problem with, but I'm kind of drowning in beautiful cedar, so who knows if I'll use more of this hot tub or not. Fir neck, and then it's walnut for everything else. Fretboard, headplate, bridge, and binding. It's a nice little Scout. I really like it. I make these just from the shop scraps. Try to get out one a month, and they go out to an email list just for people who want these Scouts. And yeah, I'm really happy with how this one sounds. It's really fun to play. So, oh, and this one also, I used a little stain. I don't always do that, but this time for the first coat of oil, I used some oil that already had kind of this reddish-brown pigment in it. And I just really wanted the cedar and mahogany to kind of line up. I think it looks pretty cool. I don't always do that. And then the finish above that oil stain is just my beeswax and oil mix. So it's a really light, thin finish that's very rustic, but it's well suited to this sort of style of instrument. Okay, 743, off to the list. Cheers.